Hello students, welcome back. In the last video I discussed about phrase and noun phrase. In this video you are going to learn about adjective phrase and adverb phrase. So let's understand adjective phrase. What is an adjective phrase? An adjective phrase is a group of words without the subject verb combination that modifies a noun or a pronoun. Let's understand this quality with the example. The angry dog barks all the day long. The dog that seems very angry barks all day long. So both these two sentences mean the same thing. But in the first sentence, the angry dog, angry is an adjective. And in the second sentence, the dog that seems very angry, it works as an adjective in a sentence and it qualifies the noun dog. So it is an adjective phrase. So an adjective phrase is a group of words that describes a noun or pronoun in a sentence, and the adjective phrase can be placed before a noun or after a noun in the sentence. Like an adjective phrase can also appear in the beginning of a sentence or before a noun, or in the middle of a sentence or after a noun, or at the end of the sentence. So let's see some examples. The beautifully carved frames are priceless. The highly emotive actor gave a wonderful performance. So in these two sentences you can see the beautifully carved and highly emotive, these two adjective phrases placed before the nouns frame and actor. Another one, you see, the girl with the curly hair is my cousin. The man wearing a blue shirt is my friend. So here, with the curly hair and wearing a blue shirt, both are adjective phrase, and both these adjective phrase placed after the noun, the girl and the man. And at last, she has a ring made of gold, and he is a man of kindly nature. Made of gold and of kindly nature, these two also adjective phrase and placed at the end of the sentence and qualifies the noun a ring and a man. So these two are the adjective phrases. Now let's understand the formation of adjective phrase. Adjective phrase can also be formed with the help of a preposition. Iron is of great use. I saw an elephant with white skin. So of great use, here the adjective phrase in this sentence, and it starts with a preposition of, and it works here in the sentence as an adjective of great use, and it qualifies the noun iron. Same thing in the second sentence also, it starts with and it works as an adjective here and qualifies the noun elephant. So it is an adjective phrase. Next, sometimes an adjective phrase does not have an adjective in it. It starts with the present participle or past participle. Some adjective phrases begin with the present participle. Bring me the glass containing water. Here, containing water is an adjective phrase. It begins with the present participle containing and qualifies the glass. It works as an adjective in a sentence, so it is an adjective phrase. Another one, we saw two birds making a nest. So here, making a nest is an adjective phrase because it begins with the present participle making and defines birds, means qualifies birds. Some adjective phrases also begin with past participle. We took the cakes baked by our mother. The man wounded in the leg is my uncle. So here, baked by our mother is an adjective phrase that begins with the past participle baked and qualifies cakes. Another one, the man wounded in the leg is my uncle. So here Wounded in the leg is an adjective phrase that begins with the past participle wounded and qualifies the noun man. Now let's move on to the another phrase, adverb phrase. What is an adverb phrase? An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. Like an adverb phrase also modifies a verb and shows how, when, why and where an action takes place. So let's understand these qualities with the examples. He woke up in the morning. So here in this sentence, in the morning modifies the verb woke up and telling us the time when he woke up in the morning. So in the morning is the adverb phrase in this sentence. Next year he will go to a foreign country. Here to a foreign country is the adverb phrase. It works as a adverb because it modifies the verb go. Where he will go, we get the answer from it, to a foreign country. So to a foreign country is a adverb phrase. Next, she answered in a rude manner. Here in a rude manner is the adverb phrase and it modifies the verb answered. How she answered in a rude manner. So this is a adverb phrase. Another one, he could not go to school on account of illness. On account of illness is the adverb phrase because it modifies the verb. Why he could not go to school? Because of the illness. That's why it is an adverb phrase. So that's up for today. Hope all of you understood adjective phrase and adverb phrase. Go through the chapter properly. Thank you.